Welcome to this course about developing mobile apps for Android and iOS using React Native. According to a Statista report, React Native is one of the two most popular frameworks used for mobile app development. Successful software developers in the mobile app world make a point of having it on their resume. During this course, you'll get hands-on experience setting up the React Native development environment. You'll discover how to build cross-platform mobile apps using React Native and how to implement key features like navigation. Plus, you'll look at state management to create efficient apps for different Android and iOS devices using React Native. You'll explore working with style and state management, handling user interactions and lists, and debugging and publishing mobile apps in React Native. Additionally, you'll practice testing mobile applications on different Android and iOS mobile OS versions and platforms through our online labs. This React Native Developing Android and iOS Apps course is designed to provide aspiring mobile app developers with the in-demand React Native skills that employers are seeking. To take this course, you should have basic knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, and React. This course has 6 modules that should take you approximately 3 to 4 hours per module to complete. We encourage you to set aside time to complete all the modules. To derive maximum benefit from this course, watch all the videos and go through the readings. Then, reinforce your learning by completing all the hands-on activities, such as the labs, the practice, and graded quizzes, and the final project. We also encourage you to participate in the course discussion forums to connect with others taking the course or to get help from the course staff. The first module is Introduction to React Native. In this module, you will be introduced to the core principles, benefits, and unique features of React Native, alongside setting up a comprehensive development environment. The emphasis will be on understanding how React Native compares to other frameworks, and the basics of Expo, an essential tool for streamlining the development process. The next module is Working with React Native. This module dives deeper into the practical application of React Native. You will explore the intricacies of the virtual DOM, component structure, and navigation systems within React Native, enabling you to build more complex applications. The module also includes hands-on experience with iOS simulators and Android emulators for thorough testing. The next module is Working with Style and State Management. This module focuses on the aesthetics and functionality of mobile applications through styling and state management. You will explore various styling techniques, including the use of Flexbox and styled components to create visually appealing apps. Additionally, the module delves into state management strategies using hooks, context, API, and Redux, ensuring efficient data handling and app performance. The next module is Handling User Interactions and Lists. This module emphasizes the importance of user interactions and efficient data presentation in mobile applications. You will gain expertise in handling touch events, forms, and user input, as well as optimizing list performance using FlatList and SectionList. The module also covers persistent data storage techniques using async storage, enhancing the app's functionality and user experience. The next module is Debugging and Publishing Apps in React Native. This module will cover all concepts related to debugging apps and then publishing them. You will be able to understand the features of React DevTools, which is the React Native Developer Toolset. You will discover how to develop apps with Expo and test and publish the apps. The last module is Final Project and Course Wrap-Ups. In this module, you will complete a practice project where you will practice building a news article application using React Native. Then you will complete a final project where you will build a fully functional recipe application using React Native. Lastly, you will take a final exam. So, there is a lot to cover here. We are thrilled to have you join us on this learning journey. Let's get started. Good luck.